Are you looking for the best portable induction cooktops? In this video we will look at some of the 4 best portable induction cooktops on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DuxTop 9600 LS Portable Induction Cooktop. The DuxTop Induction Cooktop 9600 LS impresses with its lightweight, durable, and compact design, making it easy to store when not in use. Its user-friendly controls, featuring 20 heat settings with 20-degree increments, ensure precise adjustments. While it didn't quite reach 212 degrees Fahrenheit in our pasta tests, peaking at 211 degrees Fahrenheit, it still produced perfectly al dente pasta within the expected cooking time. The cooktop excelled in speed, surpassing all-time benchmarks in each of our tests. It also performed well during searing, creating an even crust, though the sides of the 10-inch pan were slightly cooler than the center. With an 8-inch maximum usable cooking surface, matching pan size to the surface area is key for optimal results. Additionally, the child lockout feature adds safety, and the cooktop switches to standby mode when the pan is removed. Overall, the 9600 LS delivered high performance at a fraction of the price of premium models, making it an excellent value. Number 2. DuckStop Portable Induction Cooktop Countertop Burner. The DuckStop 8100 MC is a more budget-friendly alternative to the 9600 LS, offering the same 1800 watts of power and similar temperature range, but with less precise control. The temperature increments are in 40-degree steps, which reduces fine-tuning capabilities. It also allows for power level adjustments, alongside a hold feature to maintain a steady temperature. The controls, while functional, are smaller and not backlit, which could pose a challenge for users with limited vision. The exhaust fan, though a useful feature, is somewhat loud, but not disruptive enough to detract from the cooktop's overall value. In our tests, the 8100 MC boiled water in around 20 minutes but only reached 207 degrees Fahrenheit after 25 minutes on the highest heat setting. The pasta turned out al dente in 11 minutes, indicating that cooking performance is still solid despite slightly lower temperatures. The searing test showed some unevenness in heat distribution, causing the burger patties to curl, though the seared areas were well cooked. At less than half the price of the 9600 LS, the 8100 MC delivers good results, with a durable build that suggests long-term reliability for the price. Number 3. Breville Induction Cooktop. The Breville Control Freak stands out for its highly customizable heat settings, offering precise temperature control at 1-degree intervals and the ability to adjust power intensity. Its user-friendly interface, featuring a bright LCD panel, makes it easy to adjust settings and monitor performance. The option to save custom settings, including hold times, is a standout feature for those who need repeatable, consistent results. In our boiling test, the Control Freak, like many models, didn't quite reach 212 degrees Fahrenheit, but the pasta was perfectly al dente within the allotted cooking time. However, we did observe that the pans overshot the target temperature by about 20 degrees, with the center of the pan significantly hotter than the edges. In the searing test, the burger patties curled due to uneven heat distribution, and some overseared. This suggests that fine-tuning the power and temperature settings is necessary to avoid these issues. Weighing in at 16 pounds, the Control Freak is on the heavier side for a portable cooktop, but its robust construction indicates durability and longevity. While it's not the most portable option, its precise control and versatility make it a high-quality, long-term investment for those who prioritize cooking precision. Number 4. DuckStop LCD Portable Cooktop. The DuckStop 9620 LS earns a solid third place on our list for its dual-burner design, offering intuitive, side-by-side controls for each burner. It features a locking function to prevent accidental changes and a clear, backlit display that makes it easy to monitor settings. The left burner operates at 1800 watts, while the right is slightly less powerful at 1000 watts. In our tests, the 9620 LS, like most induction cooktops, didn't quite reach 212 degrees Fahrenheit, but it still cooked pasta to al dente within the expected time frame. During the searing test, we noticed some minor unevenness in temperature, with the edges of the pan being cooler than the center, though the temperature variance was typically under 20 degrees. Unless you're performing highly precise cooking, this small difference isn't a major issue. At a slightly heavier weight, the 9620LS is less portable than some single-burner models, but the added weight is understandable given the two burners. It's a solid choice for those who need more cooking capacity without sacrificing control or ease of use.